Hello students, in this video we will discuss Swadeshi movement, chapter 1 history, social science part of social science history, Seva 10 class. The first question, an important question is discuss the consequences of Swadeshi movement in India. Then what were the consequences of Swadeshi movement? Development of national literature, development of national education, and development of national industry, contribution of women. Then first one, literary development. So many magazines and newspaper published during this period, and those magazines and newspaper created a sense of patriotism in the hearts of the people of India. They published the article that laid stress on the use of everything Swadeshi through stories, through articles, through analysis, in every way. The intelligentsia class, the educated class were writing their you see articles in the newspaper and magazine. Such magazine and newspaper, some of them are the Bengali 1904 edited by S.N. Banerjee, the Sanjeevani by Krishna Kumar Mitra, by Yugantar, Bhupendranath Datta, and female magazine also published, Kumudini Misra edited Suprabhat, and you see Bande Matram published by Aurobindo Ghosh. This way, you see plays were also written. Sabas Bengali, Palasir Praschit. Sabas Bengali was written by you see Amrit Lal Bose, and Khirod Prasad wrote Shabas Bengali. Aryan Tagore composed 63 songs, and one of them became the national anthem of independent Bangladesh, Amar Sonar Bangla Ami Tumak Bhalo Basi. This song became the national anthem of Bangladesh later. This way, you see Abanindranath Thakur, by his initiative, by the initiative of Abanindranath Thakur, Banga Kala Sanshad was established, and it was a national level institution. He also created one painting named Banga Mata. Banga Mata, and this fine, the motive behind the creation of this fine art was that Abanindranath Thakur wanted to bring Indian fine arts at par with the Western fine arts. And you see, this Banga Mata was later transformed into Bharat Mata by you see Sister Nivedita. National education. You see the leaders of second point, national education, development of national education. The leaders of the Swadeshi movement boycotted educational institutions of the Britishers, and students participated in the Swadeshi movement. Therefore, Indians needed their national schools. Therefore, you see 62 national secondary schools were established, and 3,000 national primary schools were established. You see Bengal National College was established, and you see first principal of this college was Aurobindo Ghosh. You see you see education, Rabindranath Ras Bihari Bose. By the initiative of Ras Bihari Bose, National Education Council was formed on 11th March 1906. You see Bengal Technical Institute was established by the financial aid of Tarak Nath Palit. This institution later changed into Jadavpur University. Jadavpur University was in news recently. Now you see development of national industry. Leaders boycotted everything, every industrial goods of England. Therefore, we needed industry to fulfill the needs of the people, because industrial products are necessary for the people. The industry produces the thing of our daily use. So uh, Indian people needed their own industry, and as a result, what happened? Spinning machine, handloom industry were established for the production of mustard oil, soap, sugar, matchbox. Mills were factories were established. R.N. Tagore, you see, established one Swadeshi Bhandar. One of his relative, Sarla Devi, also established one Lakhi Bhandar. Abdul Halim Ghaznavi also established one United Bengal store at Lal Bazar, Calcutta. Prafulla Chandra Roy established Bengal Chemicals, and Jamshedji Tata established iron factory in 1907. And during this period, on 17th December 1905, one industrial summit was held at Varanasi. This summit was presided over by R.C. Datta, and the motive behind this summit was to create a consciousness among the people regarding the potential of industrial development in India. That India is, and India will be. You see, will have a lot of potential power for industrial development, and this way we see you see consequences of Swadeshi movement in India. Thank you. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my channel Indra Coaching Classes ITs, and like it, comment. If on Facebook you like it and comment. Thank you.